Hello friends, welcome back to the Toothache series on the dynamic dose. Today, we will explore remedies where the toothache actually gets better by certain things. These peculiar reliefs are very valuable in homeopathy. Let's begin with phos. Here, the toothache is relieved by general warm sweat, very similar to what we see in chamomile. In China, the toothache gets better when the patient firmly presses the teeth together and also by the warmth. Oleum animale also has this feature. Pain is better by pressing the teeth together. Bismuth. Here, the toothache is better by cold water in the mouth. Remember, pulsatilla also has relief from cold application, while coffea cruda is very marked for toothache relieved by ice water. Lycopodium, where there is toothache with swelling of the cheeks. The patient feels better by warm applications. Phos, one of our great pain remedies. Toothache is better from heat and hot liquid. And lastly, Plantago, a rather peculiar one. Here, toothache is actually better by eating. Isn't that interesting? So you see friends, the way toothache is relieved, whether by pressing teeth, warmth, cold water or even eating, gives us the key to the right remedy. In homeopathy, what makes the patient feel better is just as important as what makes them worse. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Dynamic Dose. See you soon with another episode on the Toothache series.